Hello, and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Imagine you're driving toward an intersection. A delivery truck is parked near the corner, blocking your view to the right. At the same moment, a cyclist is approaching from that hidden side. You cannot see the cyclist. The cyclist cannot see you. Your car's camera sees only the truck. Its radar cannot reliably warn you about something concealed behind that large metal wall. Wouldn't it be useful if your dashboard could flash, "Cyclist approaching, brake," you could stop? A second later, the cyclist might emerge from behind the truck and cross your path. The car would not need to see through the truck. It could receive a message from an equipped bicycle or roadside system. That possibility is where vehicle-to-everything technology comes into play. It is usually shortened to V2X. V2X is not available on every road, car or bicycle today. It is an emerging connected road system with selected demonstrations and deployments. The important word is everything. An equipped car could warn another car that it is braking hard. A traffic light could tell approaching vehicles that it is about to turn red. An equipped bicycle could announce, "I am approaching this intersection," even while hidden behind a truck. And a wider network could report an accident farther along the road. Engineers give these connections names such as vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure, vehicle to pedestrian, and vehicle to network. But you do not need to remember 4 more acronyms. Together, they are V2X. The road sharing danger with whoever needs to know. Your car already has cameras, radar, and sometimes lidar. V2X adds shared awareness. The road can contribute what other participants know. Here is how it could work in our imagined intersection. An equipped bicycle and car could repeatedly transmit small safety messages containing information such as position, speed, direction, and movement. Nearby equipment receives those messages and compares the paths. The vehicles do not need to exchange names, phone numbers, or a conversation. The useful question is simply, are these two paths about to meet? If the answer becomes dangerous, the system could warn the driver, alert the cyclist, or support an automatic safety response, depending on the equipment and application. Some V2X messages can travel directly between nearby devices using dedicated radio spectrum. That direct path matters because a safety warning should not depend entirely on reaching a distant cloud server and returning. Other information can travel through ordinary cellular networks when wider coverage and information from farther away are useful. This is why V2X is not the same as self-driving. Autonomous driving systems try to interpret the world using the vehicle's own sensors and software. V2X allows road users to cooperate by sharing timely pieces of the world with one another. One is individual perception. The other is shared awareness. In February 2026, a United Nations demonstration showed this exact kind of hidden danger scenario. A car and cyclist approaching an intersection while a truck blocked their view. US transportation programs also demonstrated direct and network V2X at real intersections during 2026. But V2X has a difficult network problem. A connected car cannot receive a warning from a bicycle that has nothing capable of sending one. A traffic light cannot help if it is not connected. And messages are dangerous if devices cannot authenticate them, interpret them consistently, or deliver them at the right moment. The system therefore needs common message formats, accurate location, low delay, security certificates, privacy protections, reliable roadside equipment, and alerts that help without overwhelming the driver. V2X becomes more useful as more of the road participates, but it must still fail safely when participants do not. Now return to the intersection. The truck still blocks your view. Your camera still cannot see around a corner, but an equipped bicycle could report its path. An equipped car could report its path. V2X lets those paths meet as data before the two road users meet in the intersection. That is the real promise of a connected road. Not a car that can see everything, but a road where danger no longer has to be visible before it can be understood. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish and share this episode with one friend who likes technology. I will see you in the next episode.